In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a survey to Elementor, a powerful tool used to create beautiful and responsive websites with ease. Particularly useful for bloggers, business owners, and creative professionals, Elementor helps you better understand your audience through surveys. Let's dive right in and explore how you can quite easily integrate surveys into your Elementor design site. To begin, you need to ensure that you have Elementor installed on your WordPress website. Once this is done, the next step is to have a plugin that allows for survey creation. A popular choice is the Elementor Forms plugin, known for its extensive features and user-friendly interface. If you don't have it already installed, you can find it in the WordPress plugin repository. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, click on Add New, search for Elementor Forms, and hit the Install Now button, followed by Activate. It's as straightforward as that. After activating the Elementor Forms plugin, it's time to create your survey form. On the WordPress dashboard, you should now see a formidable option on the side menu. Click on it, and then select Forms. You'll be delighted to see a Create New Form button there. Click on that, and you'll be given the choice between starting from scratch or using one of the available templates. While starting from scratch allows for total customization, templates are excellent for beginners or those looking for a quick start. Choosing the template option can save time and might spark some ideas for structuring your survey. Once you've selected how you'd like to create your form, it's time to add the specific survey questions. Click into any question field to modify it according to your needs. You can add multiple types of questions including text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and more depending on the information you are seeking. Ensure your questions are concise yet comprehensive enough to gather the right data. After you're satisfied with your questions, remember to save your form, naming it something relevant so you can easily identify it later. Now that your form is ready, it's time to integrate it with Elementor. Open up the page or post in Elementor where you'd like to add the survey. Use the widget panel on the left and simply search for Elementor. Once found, drag and drop the Elementor widget onto your desired part of the page. You'll see a settings panel where you can select your form from a drop-down menu. Choose the survey form you just created, and it will populate on the page. Before wrapping up, make sure to preview your page to see how the form looks on both desktop and mobile views. Once satisfied, hit Publish. And there you have it. You've successfully added a survey to your Elementor page, offering your audience an engaging way to interact with your content. Remember, surveys are a great way to gather feedback and discover insights about your audience, allowing you to refine your website content and services accordingly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.